Oh, what's up, Larry? Look, so why do you tell us a little something? So how long you been out here? You from Philly?
I'm originally from South Carolina. I was raised in Philadelphia, though.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I've been traveling up and down the East Coast a little bit.
Okay. You been playing for a long time?
Did my first professional gig as a harmonicist in 1976.
1976?
Yeah.
You did that down south or up here?
I did that in Washington, D.C., the Bicentennial Festival.
Oh, okay. Well, tell me a little something about that. So,
well, I played the Bicentennial Festival with Reverend Flora Moulton. Like I said, it was my first professional gig, and then went on a tour with her to New Orleans and played the New Orleans Festival, Austin, Texas, Houston, and places in South Carolina.
So you've been around a little bit?
Yeah, a little bit.
So you've been seeing the music evolve from what it was back in the 70s to what it is now?
Yes I did. My point for doing that was like to meet a lot of the elders that were playing the blues, you know? Walking by myself, I hope you understand. I just want to be your lover, man. I love you. Yes, I love you with all my heart and soul. Wouldn't mistreat you for my weight in gold. You know I love you. You know it's true. I give you all of my loving. What more?
We're originally from New York City, so you know we got jazz and blues up there all the time. Miles Austin and all the greats came from Harlem back in the day. You ever played up top?
Yeah. We did a few gigs up there.
New York City?
New York City and upstate New York.
Oh, anything you recall specifically?
Croton on the Hudson has a great festival they have pretty much every year.
Okay. Okay, Larry. Larry getting it, yeah?
Everybody, Soundproof Productions, love you.